This brand is made by Electrolux and is available online in North America as well as at many retail outlets, but their guarantee is only minimal when compared to the other brands. The units can be purchased at various retailers such as the Home Depot and Best Buy. The FHPC102AC1 models are cool-only units with a 3-speed fan and auto swing louvers for good air circulation throughout the room. They have sleep and dry modes as well as a built-in air ionizer to improve the room's air quality and are quiet with a noise rating of 49 decibels, which is roughly equivalent to the hum from a refrigerator. The FHPW122AC1 models are for cooling only, while the FHPH142AC1 models are heat pumps for year-round comfort. They have built-in Wi-Fi and voice command support with a higher 7.2 EER efficiency rating. The units use a single hose, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.